In this video, we'll show you how to perfectly boil egg in microwave oven. You need egg, salt and water. Take a microwave oven safe bowl, place the eggs and fill it with water till the eggs are completely covered. Now once you do that, add half tablespoon salt. Place it in the microwave oven. Now depending upon the power, you might need anywhere between 6 to 10 minutes to boil the eggs. So I am setting for 10 minutes and starting now. Now the process is almost complete. Let me open this. Now let's take out carefully. Allow it to cool for 5 minutes. I am transferring the eggs to cold water. Now let's peel this. Now you see how easily you can peel it. That's how easily you can peel them. Now let me just cut and show you. You could see that it's perfectly boiled. Very important note, if you add less or no salt, then eggs may blast. Second thing, egg should be completely covered by water, at least a half a centimeter above the eggs. So that can help to cook the egg in the right way. If you're looking to buy the best microwave oven in 2024, I have given the link in the video description. Certainly you can just click on that and buy. Again, it is starting from as low as 7,190 rupees. So this is when I'm recording the video. Certainly the price may vary when you're purchasing it. Again, all of this have very good rating as well. So let me just quickly show you that. So if I just open IFB, you could see it has a rating of 4.3 by about 1,300 plus people. Again, a great brand. Panasonic, which costs about 10,290. Again, it has been rated as 4.5 by about 1,800 plus people. Again, a fantastic microwave oven. Now coming to LG, you have one of the best microwave oven, which is rated as 4.2 by 700 plus people. The price is about 8,990. Again, if you're looking for something on a higher end with a lot more advanced features and other things, so certainly you can consider this one, so which is costing about 18,990. Or Samsung is also a great one, which is 28 liters. The price is 15,899. So again, they are all great microwave ovens. The link has been given in the video description. You can just click on that and see the reviews, and based on that you can certainly purchase as well. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye for now. If you're not already subscribed, please do subscribe.